Before you give up, I want you to imagine something. Imagine your future self standing in front of you. Not 10 years from now, not 20, but the version of you who finally made it. The version of you who survived every hardship, every heartbreak, every sleepless night. That version of you is looking at you with tears in their eyes, beginning you not to stop because they already know what you are capable of. They already know what you will become if you don't quit right now. Right now, you are maybe tired, you are maybe frustrated because life is not moving the way you thought would. You are giving your best, yet nothing seems to change. You see others whining. Will you feel stuck in the same place, and deep down you wonder what's there? What's the point of trying anymore? I know that feeling because every successful person felt exactly the same before they broke through. Do you know the secret part? The secret part is this: most people quit right before their breakthrough. They don't fail because they are not talented. They don't fail because they are not capable. They fail because they stop too soon, too close to the finish line. They never realize that the worst days of their life were actually the final test before everything started to change. Look at your life right now. You think nothing is happening, but something is happening. You are learning to be stronger. You are learning to control your emotions. You are learning patience, discipline, and resilience. Growth does not always look like progress. Sometimes growth looks like silence. It looks like pain. It looks like confusion. Because that is where the foundation is being built. Listen carefully. Your story is not finished. You are in the part of your journey that no one talks about. The dark chapter, every hero has it. Every champion goes through it. These are the chapters that never appears on social media, never show up in interviews because they are filled with long lines, fear, and uncertainty. But without this chapter, the victory chapter never comes. One day, you are going to thank yourself for not giving up today. One day, you would look back and say, "This is where everything changed. This is where I decided I deserved more. This is where I refused to settle." And in that moment, you will understand the struggle was never the enemy. The struggle was the doorway. And now comes the most important part. That future version of you, the successful one, is not waiting in another world. They are already inside you. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you get closer to them. Every time you take a step forward when no one is clapping, you get closer to them. Every time you rise after being broken, you become them. So before you give up, remember this: you are not fighting for money, success, fame, or medals. You are fighting for the future you, the version of you who deserves peace, freedom, and pride. And that version is calling you right now, begging you to keep going. Not because the journey is easy, but because the destination will be worth everything.